And for Snowies folks, this is the pop-up 3-litre cooking pot. This guy gives you 3 litres cooking capacity, so you can cook tons of pasta for your family, and then it packs up flat for storage, so it's easy to get to and from your campsite. This is the 3-litre cooking pot all packed up, just 5 centimetres in height here. It's about 26 centimetres diameter this way and about 36 centimetres from the end of the handle here to the end of the handle here. So it packs nice and flat for storage. To pack it away, you've just got to invert the lid up the other way, so that's how it will go on once we've got it popped out. The lid here has got a glass panel in the middle here and food grade silicone around the edge, and also a food grade silicone handle on the top there, so that's not going to get hot, and you can see what's cooking inside. Having a look at what this is made of, packed flat like that, pop it out is nice and easy, just push down in the middle and it pops right out to your 3-litre capacity. Now this is 304 grade stainless steel around the top here. Same as the handles, 304 grade stainless steel, but that's coated by this food grade silicone on the handles here, which also features on this band through the middle here, and that's what allows it to collapse down, and that's then fused to 304 grade stainless steel on the bottom here. Now you can cook on any heat source with this guy except for induction or open flame, so gas stoves etc. are fine, but you don't want to stick it on the campfire because you don't want the flames to come around to the edge of where the silicone is here. Now when it's open like this, it measures about 12 centimetres in height to this edge here and about 15 centimetres total to the top of the lid there. So tons and tons, or like 3 litres of cooking capacity inside there. One little feature I want to show you on the lid here, you can just see a little logo here, this little steam sort of symbol there. That lines up with just a little cutout underneath here and a slight sort of ridge here, so that when that's sitting on there, it allows the steam to escape up and out this side here. But as you can see what's cooking inside there nice and easily. Steam comes out the side, handles to hold on the side there so that it's not going to burn you when you pick it up. Really versatile and compact way to be able to cook food when you're camping. When you're done with it, when it's washed up, collapse it back down again, invert the lid, put it back on top, stow it away in your camp kit. That is the 3-litre collapsible cooking pot from Pop-Up Space-Saving Solutions. Check them out online at snowies.com.au, where you'll find them at our lowest prices every day. If you've got any questions, let us know down in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel for all of our latest info. Check out some other cool kitchen stuff for your camp setup down here.